Hello, my fancy, fabulous friends. This is Tania, the work from home wife of Atlanta. How are you all doing? All right, so today I am going to do a quick head wrap tutorial. You guys have been asking for it. So here we go. Let's do it. All right, so today I am wearing polka dots. Big surprise, right? All right, so I have my little polka dot. I think this was actually a belt, but I usually don't wear it as a belt because I have other belts. But what we're going to do is if you have any type of, long headband, we are going to do something a little different. So you're just going to put the headband here, tie it in the back. Make it snug. Just tie a little knot. Just like this. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our headband with our head wrap. So this is not your basic head wrap, okay? We are doing something fancy and jazzy today. All right. So take 2 head wraps, depending on what you're wearing that day. I'm wearing black and white, so I have black and white. All right, so first step, we are going to use our first one. It doesn't matter, which color you choose. So now if you want your headband to show, you can. If not, you don't have to. I am going to say yeah, because it's fun. All right, so I'm just going to put it right here. And now I'm just going to tie the head wrap in a knot in the back, just like this. All right, so this is head wrap number 1, and now we're going to tie head wrap number 2. Now, you notice whenever I tie it, I'm putting it all in the front. Everything in the front. All right, so this is head wrap number 2. And so you could we forgot that we are letting the polka dots show, right? So I'm going to pull this out a bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and now we have the second head wrap. Just going to wrap it. Now, this one, we're just going to wrap it underneath both of these in a bow. Not a bow, in a knot. All right, so here you go. It's like this. All right, so we tied the headband. We tied the first head wrap, and then the second head wrap. Now, obviously, you can kind of see the first one through the second one with this particular head wrap, but it doesn't have to be this way. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to braid. All right, so here we go. I'm going to pull one of each of the head wraps here. Just, one of each on each side, okay? So we have black and black, white and white, and then we obviously have our headband. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid. So I'm just going to take this side and just braid. Just braid. Just braid until you can't braid anymore. So this is the first side. Boom. Now I'm just going to tuck it under my arm. Or you could just use like a hair tie. All right, now we're going to do the second side. Braid. Braid. You guys having fun yet? I am. All right, so now we have two braids. All right, so now this is the fun part. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the top one time, then I'm going to go take the other side and go over until they cross. And I'm going to make it tight. Now at this point you can do what you want, but what I love to do is kind of like just tuck this side and just tuck. Just use the little tucking method and just keep tucking. I have some here. Okay, I'm just going to kind of, so now that I've come through both sides, I'm just going to tuck. And you can just kind of twist a little bit if you want, but just tuck. That's the main thing. You're just tucking. And you just want to make it look as nice as you can. See, this is coming out, so I'm just tucking. And then you just tuck. That's all. You're just tucking. You don't want any loose pieces. And then you can just adjust it the way you want it to look. We're going to show a little bit of polka dot. See this falling out? All right. I think we're just about done here. All right. What do you guys think? I can't see the back. If I had a mirror, I could, but I don't. All right. This is it. What do you guys think? Bye, guys. Have a great day. I told you it was going to be quick. This is when you are ready to just say bye. Gotta go, gotta run. Like, subscribe, and share, guys. Bye.